we all have learned alphabets from A to Z, isn't it? Now we are going to learn the phonic sounds. Yes, as each letter has its own sound, and the sound is called as phonic sounds. Okay, phonic sounds is very important as you will be able to construct and read the words and sentences too. Yes, so that's why we need to learn and practice phonic sounds perfectly. So let's begin.
Let's learn phonic sound of the letter A. A sounds eh. A sounds eh. Apple. Ant. Alligator. Axe. Ambulance. Angry. Accident. So the sound of letter A is A. Now, what is this? Yes, this is B. B sounds B. B sounds B. Ball. Bat. Bag. Bottle. Brinjal. Banana. Bus. Yes. Now, what is this? This is letter C. The sound of C is K. The sound of the letter C is K. Cup. Cap. Cat. Cow.
Students, the letter is D. Yes, the phonic sound of D is D. Doll. Door. Dolphin. Now tell me, what is the letter? Yes, E. And the phonic sound of E is A. Elephant. Egg. Eggplant. Now tell me, what is the letter? Yes, F. Fish. Flower. Fruits.
Students, the letter is G. The sound of G is G. Grapes. Gun. Girl. Goat. Next, the letter is H. H sound is H. Hands. Hat. Horse. House. Next, the letter is I. I sound is E. Igloo. Insect. Ink. Ink.
This is letter J. J sounds J. J, J, jam. J, J, jar. J, J, jump. And J, J, jungle. The next letter is letter K. K sounds K. K, K, king. K, K, key. K, K, kangaroo. And K, K, kite. The next letter is letter L. L sounds L. L, L, lamp. L, L, light. L, L, leaf. And L, L, lamp.
So children, this is letter M. M sounds M. M, M, monkey. M, M, mountain. Yes. M, M, map. M, M, mango. Okay. Now this is letter N. N sounds N. N, N, nose. N, N, neck. N, N, nails. Okay. N, N, nest. Now this is letter O. O sounds O. O, ostrich. O, omelette. O, orange.
This is letter P. P sound is Pa. Pa, pa, pig. Pa, pa, parrot. Pa, pa, pumpkin. And pa, pa, pen. This is letter Q. The Q sound is Qua. Qua, qua, queen. Qua, qua, quill. Qua, qua, quilt. And qua, qua, white. This is letter R. R sound is Ra. Ra, ra, rose. Ra, ra, ring. Ra, ra, rabbit. And ra, ra, rat. This is letter S. S sounds S. S, S, sun. S, S, sunflower. S, S, sand. S, S, small. This is letter T. T, T, tall. T, T, train. T, T, tea. T, T, tap. This is letter U. U sounds A. Umbrella. Uncle. Up. Unicorn. This is letter V. V sounds V. Van. Violin. Volcano. Vase. So children, the next letter is letter W. The letter is letter W. So the sound of W is W. The sound of letter W is W. Watch. Water. Wall. Okay. Now let's move on to the next letter. The next letter is letter X. It's letter X. X sounds X-ray, xylophone, Xmas tree. Well done. Now
Let's move on to the next one. The next letter is letter Y. Y sounds ya. Y sounds ya. Ya, ya, yak. Ya, ya, yacht. Ya, ya, yes. Well done. Now the last letter is letter Z. The sound of letter Z is Z. It's Z. Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zoo. Z, Z, zip.